This is Proclamation number 986 signed by President Duterte. It contains a list of regular and non-working holidays for the year 2021. There are 10 regular holidays. Year 2021 will have 7 non-working holidays. Two days were added to the special non-working holidays. The dates of the two other holidays in 2021, Eid'l and Eid'l Adha, will be issued by President Duterte after the actual dates are determined based on the Islamic calendar.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.